Hey there, do you ever feel like AI is racing ahead, making you question where you fit in, like the rules of success have suddenly changed and no one gave you the new playbook? I get it. I'm Coach Juan Gonzalez, an agile and human potential coach, helping professionals over 50 adapt and thrive in the age of AI. But what if I told you AI could be your biggest advantage? Stick with me. I'll show you one simple shift that transformed everything for me and my clients. Have you ever felt like AI is moving too fast? Mary's story will show you exactly how a simple mindset shift can turn fear into confidence. Okay, let's picture this. Mary, a successful business owner in her 50s, one day came to me feeling lost. Juan, please help me. I built this company from scratch, but now I feel like a dinosaur. How can I keep up with all this AI stuff? Sounds familiar? Let's be honest. Many of us feel that way. We got years of experience, but suddenly it feels irrelevant. Like we are racing against a computer that never sleeps. But here's the thing. Your experience is not a liability. It's your superpower. You just need to know how to use it. That's it. And everything starts with our mindset. The way we think about AI determines whether we feel stuck or see new opportunities. That's where empowering lofty questions come in. Yes, empowering lofty questions, you heard right. They are not your average questions. They are powerful tools that reward your brain to see opportunities instead of obstacles. These game changers were popularized by Christy Mary Sheldon, who show how they shape your mind to create real success. And here's how they work. Instead of asking, how can I possibly keep up with AI? Let's try this. Why am I uniquely equipped to thrive in an AI-driven world? Feel the difference? The first question assumes you are behind. The second reminds you of your strengths. Now, you might be thinking, okay, Juan, isn't just like affirmations? That's a good question. But lofty questions are actually more effective in my experience. Affirmation can be sometimes feel forced, and if you don't truly believe them, your subconscious mind just dismisses them. Boo, 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 doesn't work, doesn't work. For example, saying, I'm a master of AI tools might feel fake at first, but asking, why am I so quick at picking up new AI skills? Engage your brain's natural curiosity. It bypasses that skeptical part of your mind, getting straight to problem-solving mode and tricking your brain into looking for proof. Suddenly, you start noticing how adaptable you really are. Amazing, isn't it? What if I tell you that neuroscience proves this increased neuroplasticity, rewarding your brain for innovation? What a cool human computer we have, right? Now, let me show you how powerful this can be. Remember Mary? She removed the dinosaur situation from her script. Instead of seeing her experience as outdated, she started asking on a daily basis, why is my wisdom the secret sauce in this AI recipe? In a few days, boom, just like that, AI wasn't her rival anymore. It became her super powerful sidekick. That's the magic of lofty questions in action. I will tell you a little secret that works for me as a champ. The magic of lofty questions isn't just in asking them, it's in feeling the answers. When you ask, why am I always finding innovative ways to use AI in my business? Don't just think about it, imagine it. Feel the excitement of discovering a new AI tool that perfectly complements your skills. Okay, let's quickly experience it. Close your eyes if you can, or just take a deep breath. And now, picture yourself using AI with ease. Feel the confidence, that feeling. Imagine and fully feel the last question. Why am I always finding innovating ways to use AI in my business? You are rewiring your brain for success. Now, when you're ready, open your eyes. At this point, I want to remind you, you are not alone in this journey. There is a whole community of us, professionals, entrepreneurs, and leaders over 50, embracing AI with open arms. We are not just adapting, we are leading the way. Did you know that by 2030, AI is projected to create a net gain of 78 million jobs globally? That's right. More jobs created than lost. While some jobs will be displaced, new roles are emerging that blend human expertise with AI capabilities. In fact, the World Economic Forum predicts that by 2030, AI and other information processing technologies will create 170 million new roles worldwide. That's a lot of opportunity. But here is the key. To thrive in this era, you need to be open to continuous learning and adaptation. AI isn't static. It's evolving fast. So you need to evolve with it. Okay, let's come back and take one more client, Robert, a 56 years old senior project manager. At first, he feared AI will make him obsolete, asking himself, what if AI replaces me? Do my skills even matter anymore? But then he flipped the script and started asking himself daily, how is AI helping me become an even more strategic and impactful leader? Instead of resisting AI, he embraced it. Now, he's using AI-driven analytics to predict project risk, streamline workflows, and make smarter decisions, proving that experience, combined with AI, creates new value. His company now sees him as a forward-thinking leader, adapting and staying ahead rather than being left behind. Remember, AI is not replacing your ability to think. It's like an electric bike for your brain. You still need to pedal, but now you can go further, faster, with less effort. Your wisdom, your experience, that's the secret ingredient AI can never replicate. But combine it with AI, that's an unbeatable force. So here is your challenge. Choose one lofty question. Maybe, why am I always learning, growing, and finding new ways to use AI in my career? Write it down. Ask it every day for a week, preferably as soon as you wake up. Feel the answer, and start noticing how this question helps you shape your perspective. Share your empowering lofty question in the comments, and let's inspire each other. And if you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could benefit. And if you enjoy it and learned today, you're going to love more my next video, where I will show you exactly how to future-proof your career with AI, but this time using agile values and principles. I'm Coach Juan Gonzalez, your trusted accountability partner in life and career growth. Let's connect. Schedule your free 30-minute discovery call today. What are you waiting for? And remember, you are not just surviving the age of AI. You are thriving in it. Let's do it together. Stay human. Live with purpose. Vamos!